Welcome back to another book review, media review. Today we're looking at a product catalog from 2011, just for your reference, from Crooked Horn Hunting Essentials. So feel free to research more current, up-to-date product offerings. Again, this is from 2011 and mainly for reference only. As you can see here, they advertise packs, optic accessories, archery equipment, and rifle equipment. If we look at the back cover real quick, we can see right here some contact info, site address, shipping options. Again, all of this is probably subject to change. Again, this is 2011. So, again, we're just looking at this for reference. There's going to be lots of stock photography. Here's their introductory blurb. Outfitting the hunter every step of the way. Their logo, archery, rifle, optics, and more. Backpacks, and trail light. And the pages to go to. So do with their contact info at the bottom of every page. Here's something on their VIP package. Be BOWHUNTER, RIFLEMAN, or BINO kit. TRAILBLAZER 2. MASTERGUIDE 2. And lots of stock photos here. High Country Extreme 2. Trail light, LEDs, BINO system, SPUDZ, BINO shield, rangefinder cases, binocular cases, spotting scope tripod carrier, various types of optics, some of the brand offerings, official dealer oath, shooting sticks, pads, pouches, scope covers, scabbards, BOWHOOK SLING, wind gauge, safari sneakers. Look at that footprint right there. Horn wrap, license tag kit, and then get some apparel. Knife offering. Plan, pack, and prepare. Free DVD offer. Again, this is from 2011, so it's for reference only. And we hit the back cover again. So again, this was a quick look at the 2011 product catalog from Crooked Horn Hunting Essentials. Feel free to check out Crooked Horn for more up-to-date product offerings. This has been another book review, media review. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, and other expanded topics. We also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.